Walters here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Got a fresh trade I'd like to go over with you today. Something rare we don't really get around here very often. This is a 2013 Hurricane 226 FunDeck, and it's named FunDeck for a reason because it can do just about anything you want it to do. Back here on the back is powered with the ever quality Yamaha 150 4-stroke, super quiet, super efficient. It's a fiberglass hull boat. It's similar to a pontoon. Gets into real shallow water, probably around 10 inches or so, less than a foot. Upholstery's in great condition. The biminy's in great condition. Have a changing station back here. You can see that with the pictures that will be posted along with the video. Just kind of a rare boat that we don't get very often. It does a lot of stuff. It's got Lowrance and a Humminbird depth finder, captain's chair, courtesy table in the back that's removable. We walk our way forward. We have a side boarding door and of course a boarding ladder in the back. What really sets this boat apart is it's rigged for fishing. You have two fishing chairs up here in the front. Comes with a Minn Kota trolling motor. Has powerful LED lights to light the world up at night so you can do some night fishing. Also has in between the two chairs has a very deep live well. This is super boat as far as versatility. Take you to the island, do some fishing. Comes with a aluminum trailer, tandem axle with brakes. It's a great boat. Not going to be here long. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can give me a call at 850-708-1317. Let's take it out in the water and let's catch some fish.